How to ace the SAT, tips and tricks from top coaching centers. The SAT, Scholastic Assessment Test, is a crucial standardized exam that plays a significant role in college admissions. Preparing for the SAT can be a daunting task, but with the right tips and tricks from the top SAT coaching center in Kolkata, you can boost your chances of achieving an outstanding score. Get some expert advice that will help you ace the SAT and unlock opportunities for your academic future. Understand the exam structure. To excel in the SAT, it is essential to have a clear understanding of its structure. Familiarize yourself with the different sections: reading, writing and language, math, with and without a calculator, and the optional essay. Know the format, timing, and question types for each section. This knowledge will enable you to develop a strategic approach and allocate your time efficiently. Develop a study plan. Create a study plan that works for you. Top coaching centers recommend starting your preparation well in advance to allow sufficient time for thorough coverage of all content areas. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks, focusing on specific topics each day. Regular and consistent practice is key to mastering the concepts and improving your performance. Practice with official SAT materials. Utilize official SAT practice materials that closely resemble the actual test, ensuring you become familiar with the format and question styles. Practice tests help you gauge your progress, identify areas that need improvement, and build confidence in your test-taking abilities. Identify weaknesses and seek guidance. At the best GMAT training classes in Kolkata, you can identify your strengths and weaknesses by analyzing your practice test results. Focus on improving your weaker areas by seeking guidance from experienced tutors or coaching centers. They can provide expert insights, personalized strategies, and additional resources to help you address specific challenges and maximize your score potential. Enhance vocabulary and reading skills. The SAT's reading section requires strong vocabulary and reading comprehension skills. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words and their contextual usage. Read a variety of challenging texts, including news articles, non-fiction books, and literary works. Practice active reading techniques, such as summarizing passages, identifying main ideas, and making inferences. These skills will enable you to approach the reading section with confidence.